Hey, Mr. Wagner here. Welcome to week one of distance learning for healthy living. I want to talk really quickly about the assignment that was posted in Classroom. And if you have any questions, and I'll mention this again at the end, but feel free to email me or reach out through Google Classroom if something doesn't make sense or if you're having some difficulty. So let's just get right into it. If you check on Google Classroom, and you'll see that there is a assignment posted, Distance Learning Week 1. If you click on that assignment, it'll give you a bunch of different options. Okay, so let's start with the first Healthy Living Distance document. And that will look something like this. And this will give you an outline for the week as to what assignments you should do. Now, this is to be done at your own pace, right? So if by some chance you can't get to this on Monday and it has to move to Tuesday, don't worry about it. This is just kind of a template to keep you on track. So Monday's assignment today, as I'm doing this, there'll be a link to a Newsela article right here, and answer these 6 questions about the article. And those questions you can answer right on this document. And I'll make a copy for each person so you're not interrupting anybody else's. So go ahead and do this on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is an assignment that should look fairly familiar to you. It's vocab foldable. So here's a blank sheet, and you can print this off at home if you've got the capabilities. If you don't, be creative. Maybe create your own document or get a hold of me and let me know if you have an idea. But go ahead and print this off, and remember, we fold this in half, cut one half of it, so you're making a little booklet to create a term, a definition, and a multicolored picture for that definition. And you can find all of those definitions on the other document that's linked through Classroom. So we're starting off with a kind of a nutrition set of vocabulary: fruit, vegetable, protein, grain, dairy, fat, carbohydrate. And here's the definitions. Here's some examples of those things to help you with some ideas. So if you go back to your main framework for the week, on Thursday, I will post a quiz. So please take that quiz on Thursday or Friday and go ahead and submit it when you're done. If you can take a picture of your foldables and email them to me, that would be awesome. If you can't do that, get a hold of me and let's work on some sort of alternative assignment. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and get a hold of me. Otherwise, take care of yourselves, and I hope you guys are well.